Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me on this nostalgic trip, a return to my birthplace. Born in 1950, we're looking at Bargate Street minus a row of houses. Imagine, if you will, these white-faced buildings would back onto a back street with Jovial Monk at the bottom and a Pennyman's Arms at the top and our street of houses. Mine was approximately middle of the street, opposite that red van we just saw. 24 Bargate Street. Memorable place. Unforgettable memories. Let's have an aerial view of North Ormesby as it is today, 2022. "72 years has made some changes." Oh, have a look. Taken out from the end of what used to be Bargate Street, looking towards the church, the Holy Trinity Church, which was the centre of the community. We are a mile approximately from the centre of the bustling town of Middlesbrough. The Heartland, Teesside, shipbuilding, steelworks, petrochemical industries, and lots more besides. The four faces of North Ormesby Church clock, Holy Trinity building, well, remind us a lot of Big Ben. As we move around the church, we see a row of brightly coloured houses just behind it. These were going to be the saviour for North Ormesby, for the residents of Bargate Street and other similar very old street houses. This saviour had no facilities for sitting outside. No backyard, no back garden, no front garden. Nightmare planners. Oh, and it was 3-storey. So it would be most suited to somebody who liked mountain climbing to answer the front door from the sitting room, which was 2 floors up. Looking way in the distance, we see the Cleveland Hills, we'll eventually see the River Tees. That's how close we are to all of the lifeblood industries that kept North Ormesby buzzing. Way in the distance now, look out for red car right in the distance. The River Tees. The A66, massive road that changed the borough, and all of these conurbations. Lots and lots of houses. The trunk road, the main vein, artery, whatever. A66, Middlesbrough, sprawling ahead of us, including the railway station. Transporter bridge way in the distance in blue. River Tees, yet again snaking its way. I served my time as an apprentice fitter on the River Tees at Smith Docks at South Bank. Happy memories. Being a youngster, you know every street, every back alley, where it leads to, what you can do, what you can't do. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.